Your entire body, immerse, perceive, and become one with the art.
体ごと没入し、体で認識し、体とアートは一体となる。
In this museum, you will walk barefoot as you experience the artworks with your entire body.
これから皆様には裸足となる全身でアート作品を体験していただきます。
Your feet will get wet in some spaces. Please take off your socks and tights in the locker area.
水に濡れるエリアがございます。ロッカー前で靴下、ストッキングをお脱ぎください。
In some areas, water depths are knee-deep even for adults. Please roll up your pants.
大人の方でも膝丈まで濡れるところがございます。ズボンの裾をまくり上げてください。
Mirroring materials are used on the floor in some areas. If you are wearing a skirt, your underwear may be visible.
床が鏡になっているところがございます。スカートの方は下着が映る可能性がございます。
Rental shorts are available for free. Please use the changing rooms in the locker area.
ハーフパンツを無料で貸し出しておりますので、ロッカーエリアにある更衣室をご利用ください。
Please store all your belongings in the locker, except smartphones and cameras.
スマートフォンとカメラ以外、すべての手荷物をロッカーへお入れください。
Please use one locker per person.
ロッカーは1人1台のご使用をお願いします。
Download the TeamLab app using the QR code on your locker door to interact with some of our artwork.
ロッカーの扉にある QR コードを読み込むと、一部の作品に参加できる TeamLab アプリをダウンロードできます。
Please note, TeamLab Planets do not take responsibility for any damage to your smartphone or camera. Please do not use flash, selfie sticks, and other shooting equipment. Eating, drinking, and smoking are prohibited on site. Restrooms are only available in the locker area. For visitors accompanying young children, please do not let go of their hands at any time. For visitors with physical disabilities or accompanying young children, a special detour route is available. Please ask the nearby staff.
体のご不自由な方や小さなお子様とご一緒の方には迂回ルートをご用意してあります。お近くのスタッフまでお声掛けください。
Shoes are not allowed in the locker area.
ロッカーエリアは土足禁止です。
Please keep your shoes off until the exit door.
お帰りの際、お履物はお出口までお持ちください。
Thank you very much for your attention.
大変お待たせいたしました。
Please take off your shoes and enter.
お履物を脱いでご入場ください。
You must see a thing, man. We are leading, right? Everybody is following us. Oh, it's some kind of haunted house or what? Whoa, whoa. Hey, it's getting dizzy, man. Hey, you sure? Oh, now you feel it. What is it now? The floor is wet or what? Whoa, whoa.
Please don't touch the LEDs. Please keep moving down this way. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Where are we going? Look at the floor. Look at the floor. Bro, are we stopping and taking pictures? Yeah, you can. You can actually stop and take some photos. now I'm a bit confused. Look up. Look up. Whoa. Oh my god. Another round of this dark tunnel. Now where's supposed to be? The wet floor, right? Down floor. Whoa. So far. I think the wet part is coming already.
Next is the water, visual water.
Okay. Okay, it's the water. Oh, here, okay. Oh my god. Huh? Oh, it's warm water lah, right? Oh dear. Oh my god. What is going on? Hey, it's water, right? Hey, there's fish. Hey, don't you think so? Just like in the movie, lah. What is going on? Oh, the water hit. Oh, it's above the knee, ah. Wait. Sakura is... There's no sakura. Hey, they have got coil, huh? They got coil. No lah. There's no fish.
Yeah, you didn't expect the whole place to be.
It's like that. It's all water. Oh my god. Hey, Sakura. Now there's a question. Where is the exit? It looks like it looks like in the ocean like that. Yeah. Oh, this is insane, man. I want to see your light. Yeah, you go. I can only see something from the phone. Wow, lao eh, what is this song?
那路边的不是排队。Hey, I'm floating now. I'm floating. I don't think you can stay long here, right? You're gonna get motion sickness. Check what? Right?
Go on, go on. Don't drop.